Yo, what's up guys? This is Leighton Bush Studios. My name's Taylor, and I am going to show you guys how to organize your VST plugins in Ableton, obviously. So in Ableton, I'll close this out. If you go options into your preferences, Ableton will only let you choose one custom folder, which is a problem for me because I have multiple folders in my program files that I have VST plugins in. But basically, it'll only let you choose one, right? So what I had to do is I'll open up my files. Let's see. If you navigate to your local disk and you go to your program files, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of have to note where all your plugins are at, obviously. So I have some in my common files here. So I have one in this folder and VST3. For some reason I have VST2 plugins in here. So all your VST2 plugins should end with .dll, and your VST3s will end in VST3. But note all of your files where all your plugins are at, and what you're going to do is right click in your program files and create a new folder. And you can see you might have to give it admin access. So what I'm going to name it is VST plugin shortcuts. As you can see, I've already made one. But we're going to make shortcuts for all of our plugins. So I'll kind of show you how we do that. If you go here, all these DLL ones, that's your VST2 plugins. You right click them and you're going to create a shortcut. And it's saying you can't create a shortcut here, so it's going to go in your desktop. Click yes. And if you go to your desktop, it's right here. So I'll open up my program files again. You're going to, actually I got two of them here, but you're going to go back to your folder you just made. I called mine VST plugin shortcuts. And you can see I've organized them to what they are pretty much. I just kind of copied this from Ableton. If you look in Ableton, you go to audio effects, I just kind of copied all these and then I added folders that I needed. But you can see delay loop. That just makes it easier to navigate, I feel like. But so this one here, trash 2, that's saturation plugin or drive in color. So you're gonna do Command X. Oh, click this, not the letters. Sorry, Control X if you're on PC. I'm on PC. And you're going to go into your folder that you want to put it in. And you're going to hit paste. Now, I've already done that. But you can see here, I pasted all of my saturation drive plugins here. So now, when you go into Ableton, you're going to have to open your preferences again. Hit choose your folder, so hit browse, and you're going to choose that same folder that you created, so VST plugin shortcuts, and hit select folder. And then now if you go here to plugins, VST, all the folders that were in that folder you just chose will all be organized to all your plugins. So the only thing is, it does take time to create all the shortcuts for every single plugin, but you could also just if you go to program files, if all your plugins are in here, you could just left click here, or right click, sorry, and create a shortcut. And what that does is it puts the whole folder with all your plugins in there. So you could do it that way. I just do it individually because I like to organize them by type. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you guys can put it in the comments. I'm glad to help, but that is going to pretty much wrap up this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.